Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the RoBuilder YouTube channel. Today we're going to be working on a map. I guess I could say what it's for. I'm remaking one of my favorite games from the past that I worked with, myself. I built the map with Funky Squad, and Arkeuma is the guy who scripted it. I'm going to be rebuilding that game, making all new assets, and then hopefully recycling as many scripts as possible, so I'm not going to have to, pay a scripter a ton of money. So, yeah, just being honest, that's the goal, okay? Now, the map, way bigger. I'd love to show you guys the first game, and then this one. This map is 750 by 750, and this is just the spawn. I'm trying to get some sort of layout down, and I'm trying really hard to make sure it doesn't come off as a flat map, okay? I want, to see clear progression from the first game and its build style to this game and its build style, alright? So the goal is, I want it to look like the same guy didn't even build the two games, alright? So let's check it out. Alright guys, so the original Slingshot Simulator had a 81% like to dislike ratio, which is pretty good, and I'm not sure why the game never really popped off. We had 395,000 visits, which is a lot, but not as much as I think it deserved, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But here it is. I'll show you guys what's up. Had an awesome logo. Just look at that. And I think I'm gonna call this game, I think I'm gonna just call it Slingshot Simulator as well. I don't think I need to put the 2 or anything after it. Might even use the same logo. No, I have no idea where this logo is. There's no way I still have it saved on my computer. But, here's the first map, okay? From my evolution and building standpoint, I just want to say, I've definitely improved a lot at lighting, because this is, bright, to say the least. And, now that I'm looking at it, it just looks really rushed. Every zone was copy and pasted. Alright, guys, after much time... Oh, I haven't done this one yet. Oh, okay. I did decide that I'm just gonna do this. Basically, I duplicate it, hold shift, and just drag out once, and then scale it down a little bit, still where I can, get away with it. And then copy this color right here. Nice. Bring it on over to this one. Perfect. Oh, that did not work at all. Oh, I guess I have to copy the color again. Alright, there we go. And bring it on over to here. Boom. And this guy can come down some more. I go for more of a straight look, like this, so it's not really rounded. I think it looks pretty good. And just a bit of variation in terrain. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the textures, try to bring some stuff to life. I think I want spawner right here, but I don't like this color for spawn, so I'm not exactly sure what to do. Alright guys, so I just finished throwing a texture on some stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do here yet. I want this to be the spawn, but I'm not exactly sure because it, in a way it doesn't match because this color is way different, but in another way I don't want it to look like you're walking on dirt. So yeah, I'm gonna continue this map probably tomorrow after I get some more ideas. Alright guys, long time no see, aka I pulled an oopsie once again. I always pause the OBS recording, and I always forget to unpause it because I'm used to not pausing it. So yeah, basically made a lot of progress since the last time we've talked or checked in. Basically, we have now a texture on everything. I did a lot more terrain work, and of course the trees, rocks, and grass have also been added into the game. Ah, yikes. Yeah, I definitely pulled a big oops. The video's gonna be a lot shorter than it normally would be now. But I do want to give a shout out to Exodus's free nature pack, okay? All these trees and this grass is from the pack, and here is the pack. It looks pretty sick right here. Free assets by Exodus Dev. So yeah, I just used trees from this to save myself some time. And then these rocks are from Icy Dev's asset pack. And these textures are from Dev for Hire's texture pack, I guess would be the correct terms. But here's the new map. It's still not done, of course. But I just want to talk about sizing difference. So if we just look at it from here, okay? This is a player. Let's just put this guy. We'll keep him over here. You get the point. This is a player. This is how big the map is. If we go to the old map, this is a player, and this is how big the map is. It's just it's a lot smaller. In fact, I'm interested to see how big this map actually was. So this is a union. Let me see. Size. So we'll just say 550 by 550, okay? Like, it's close enough. Down, up on some sides, but 550 by 550. Let's go ahead and make that a part. All right. So here's this. Old map versus new map. Just look at this. Okay, let me put it beside it or something. Or just, I bet it's like, all right. So you have this much more map, guys, okay? It doesn't look like a lot when we do this, but when we do this, compared to this, oh, it's nice, all right? So this is going to be the first episode on this. I will make this a mini series. It might be a big series, just depending if I do all the zones on videos too. But I want to stay true to the first game zone. So up next will be like a cave zone, basically. But in the next episode, before we move on, we're going to have to build the assets. For example, the shop, the sell point, or the rock refill point. I forgot, it wasn't actually a sell point. It's just where you refill your rocks. So we're going to have to build those. And then probably just some other stuff around. Maybe a quest NPC somewhere, portals somewhere. So just, we're taking it from an open world map to an actual simulator in the next episode, guys. But hopefully you did enjoy. If you did and you're hyped for this new series, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any new ideas I could implement in the game. Have a great day. Later.